Today we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch part number X7494s on a 2025 Toyota Crown Signia, which features a 100% concealed cross tube and stainless steel receiver, as well as the highest weight ratings in the market, with 3,500 pounds towing and 425 pounds of tongue weight capacity, making it the best option for e-bikes and more. To start, raise the vehicle on suitable jack stands, ramps, or a hoist. Remove all the plastic clips securing the belly panel and remove the transportation hook from the passenger side. The hook will not be reinstalled as it's only used when transporting vehicle from the factory and not meant for emergency use. The factory bolts will be reused. Remove the rear rubber cap from the driver's side of the frame. Assemble your hardware starting with a 3/8" internal tooth lock washer, then a supplied rectangle plate washer onto a 3/8" by 1.5" hex bolt. Thread a 3/8" bolt fisher onto the bolt and place the hardware into the hole one piece at a time, so the plate washer allows the bolt to hang down through the hole. Insert the straight end of the bolt fisher into the lower hole in the driver's side plate and move the side plate into place against the frame so the bolt hangs through the hole. Place a 1/2" split lock washer followed by a 1/2" flat washer onto a supplied M12 by 40mm bolt. Secure the front and rear holes with the M12 bolts. Important to keep the bolts loose for now. Remove the bolt fisher and secure the 3/8" bolt with a 3/8" flat washer, split lock washer, and a 3/8" hex nut. Secure the passenger side plate to the frame using the same M12 hardware as before. Raise the cross tube into place so the holes align with the holes in the side plate. Secure the cross tube to the side plates using 8 sets of 1/2" hardware. Ensure the 1/2" by 1¼ bolts are fastened with a split lock washer and 1/2" hex nut with the nut side facing inward. Reinstall the factory bolts through the passenger side plate. Snug down all the hardware, then torque the bolts in the following order. Factory passenger tow hook bolts to 90 foot-pounds, 3/8" driver side bolt to 26 foot-pounds, M12 frame bolts to 90 foot-pounds, 1/2" cross tube bolts to 64 foot-pounds. Mark and cut out the receiver clearance in the belly panel using the factory mold ribs as a guide. The cutout should measure 4 3/4" by 4 inches wide. Reinstall the panel and all the clips removed in step 1. The installation of EcoHitch X7494s on your Toyota Crown Signia is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.